Travelers showing up in Britain from China should give a negative coronavirus test before they load onto a flight, ministers have affirmed. It comes as a few countries declared they would screen voyagers from China after cases flooded following Beijing's choice to loosen up its zero coronavirus strategy. China has said it will completely resume its lines on January 8. A few nations, including the US, France and India, have forced testing. The Division of Well-being and Social Consideration said individuals going from China on non-stop departures from January 5 will be approached to take a pre-flight coronavirus test. From January 8, the UK Wellbeing Security Organisation will likewise send off observation, which will see an example of travellers showing up from China tried for the infection as they show up. It is said that the public authority was taking a adjusted and preparatory methodology, adding the actions were impermanent as authorities survey the most recent coronavirus information. The testing prerequisite just applies to individuals travelling to English air terminals, with the public authority expressing that while there are no non-stop departures from China to Scotland, Grains or Northern Ireland, it is working with the degenerated organisations to guarantee the strategy is applied extensive. The UK government said its choice was expected to aid absence of complete well-being data shared by China. Spain, Israel and South Korea additionally declared on Friday that they will acquaint testing prerequisites accordingly with the rising number of contaminations in China. A few researchers have scrutinized the methodology of the UK and US, saying it is smarter to screen individuals whenever they have shown up. Italy and Spain have presented post-appearance testing. Yet, not all nations have declared extra controls. Germany has joined Australia and Portugal in saying there will be no new standards yet. Yet, there is worry that more diseases can give more open doors to the infection to change. Nations that intend to test voyagers say the arrangement will assist with spotting stressing new variations early and forestall a convergence of cases. The public authority had likewise gone under strain from MPS who need a more vigorous reaction. The World Health Association who has approached Beijing to share constant data on coronavirus, remembering for passings, hospitalisations and inoculations. The UNBody said it was ready to offer help on information sharing, adding that it was reasonable that a few nations were currently forcing new limitations. China's Unfamiliar Service said recently that its plague circumstance by and large was unsurprising and taken care of. The Chinese government is detailing around 5,000 cases per day. Yet experts say such numbers are boundlessly undercounted, and the everyday caseload might be more like 1 million. The genuine cost of day-to-day cases and passings in China is obscure as authorities have quit expecting cases to be accounted for, and changed characterizations for coronavirus passings.